Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. This moment belongs to you. You do not need to rush. You do not need to prove anything. You are allowed to simply exist peacefully. I welcome softness into my life. I allow myself to feel calm and emotionally safe. I embrace the parts of myself that feel authentic and real. My journey is valid. My emotions deserve kindness and patience. I am learning to feel more comfortable within myself each day. I release the pressure to become perfect. I give myself permission to grow gently. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. My presence carries quiet beauty. I deserve spaces where I feel emotionally safe and accepted. I allow confidence to grow naturally within me. I do not need to force anything. I can move at my own pace. I honor my personal journey with compassion. My inner world deserves peace. I am becoming more emotionally aligned every day. I trust myself more and more. I deserve to feel comfortable expressing myself. My energy is soft, calm, and grounded. I welcome emotional healing into my life. I let go of shame and self-judgment. I am allowed to feel beautiful in my own way. I deserve gentle experiences. I deserve emotional rest. I deserve inner peace. My voice matters. My feelings matter. My identity deserves respect. I release fear little by little. I am learning to feel emotionally free. I choose self-compassion over criticism. I allow myself to breathe deeply and relax fully. I am safe in this moment. My heart deserves tenderness. I am creating a healthier relationship with myself. I can appreciate my progress without rushing my future. I radiate calmness. I radiate warmth. I radiate emotional balance. I allow softness to exist within me comfortably. I am worthy of genuine happiness. I deserve to experience emotional comfort. My energy becomes calmer with every breath. I choose peace over pressure. I choose acceptance over fear. I choose kindness toward myself today. I am learning to trust my emotions. I allow myself to feel grounded and emotionally centered. I can release negative thoughts gently. I do not need to carry yesterday's stress. This moment is a new beginning. I deserve calm environments and supportive energy. I allow my mind to slow down peacefully. I can rest without guilt. I can exist without apology. I deserve emotional clarity. I deserve inner harmony. I am reconnecting with myself slowly and gently. I trust the process of personal growth. I honor every small step I take. My confidence grows quietly. My self-acceptance grows naturally. I deserve to feel emotionally secure. I allow myself to relax completely. I let calmness flow through my body. I let warmth settle into my heart. I welcome peaceful thoughts. I release emotional tension. I release unnecessary fear. I allow my nervous system to rest. I deserve quiet moments. I deserve soft moments. I deserve healing moments. I am enough today. I was always enough. I will continue growing with grace. I choose to support myself emotionally. I choose to speak kindly to myself. I choose to create peace within my life. My future does not need to be feared. I can trust myself one day at a time. I welcome emotional balance. I welcome inner confidence. I welcome self-love gently and naturally. I allow myself to simply breathe. And for this moment, I allow myself to feel at peace. I welcome softness and emotional peace into my life. I allow myself to feel calm, grounded, and emotionally safe. I deserve moments of stillness and comfort. My journey deserves patience and compassion. I release the need to compare myself to others. I honor my personal growth one step at a time. I am allowed to express myself authentically. I deserve to feel emotionally understood. I allow confidence to rise naturally within me. I trust myself more each day. My energy becomes calmer with every breath I take. I deserve peaceful thoughts and gentle experiences. I let go of emotional tension slowly and safely. I can create a life that feels emotionally aligned. I welcome self-acceptance into my daily life. I deserve kindness from myself and others. I allow my heart to soften peacefully. I release fear and embrace emotional balance. I am learning to feel more secure within myself. I deserve spaces where I feel comfortable being me. My emotions are valid and worthy of care. I can grow without rushing myself. I allow myself to rest emotionally and mentally. I deserve calm mornings and peaceful nights. I choose to treat myself with compassion today. I release the pressure to become perfect. I am worthy of emotional healing. I allow my inner confidence to grow quietly. I trust the timing of my personal journey. I deserve to feel emotionally supported. I welcome calm energy into my body and mind. I let peace flow through me naturally. I can appreciate who I am becoming. I deserve gentle thoughts and supportive energy. My presence carries softness and warmth. I am allowed to feel beautiful in my own way. I choose emotional peace over self-criticism. I am creating a healthier relationship with myself. I release unnecessary stress and tension. I deserve to feel emotionally free. I allow my mind to slow down and relax. I welcome peaceful emotions into my life. I deserve to feel accepted and valued. I trust myself to continue growing naturally. I choose self-respect and emotional balance. I allow calmness to guide my thoughts today. I deserve emotional clarity and inner harmony. I let go of fear little by little. I deserve moments of quiet healing. I welcome a sense of comfort within myself.